Step 2, we're going to be putting the 6 speed nut clips on. There's 3 on the right side and 3 on the left side. These just slip right over a tab that has a hole in it, and once you put the screw in it, it actually tightens it down. Repeat that same thing on the right and left side. Next, we're going to put on the 2 covers, frame base caps. Slide that over on the right side, which has the wire harness in it, and snap those 2 harnesses together. At this point, we want to be very careful not to damage that harness, especially when we slide the mast or the upright into place. You want to pull all the slack out of the top of the mast and then slide it into place. Repeat on the left side. There are no wires on the left side, so you can just slide that